Personal loan processing is broken, not just for customers, but for loan providers too. Customers wait, banks chase, everyone loses time and money. It has long approval times, multiple handoffs, zero transparency, due to which a simple loan takes days and sometimes even weeks. Due to this problem, banks lose revenue due to delays, drops off, and manual operations. So what's the solution? Meet LoanAI, a multi-agent AI system handling the entire loan journey. LoanAI replaces fragmented workflows with one intelligent AI-driven experience. Let's understand how it works. Potential customers receive targeted ads through messages or emails. When they click on this ad, they are directed to an intelligent web interface. This is our website, and we have one special feature, that is AI Loan Advisor.
Kumar from Tata Capital. How can I assist you with your loan needs today? Are you interested in a personal, home or car loan?
I need a personal loan.
Great. To help you better, may I know the loan amount you're considering and the purpose of the loan? Also, do you have any questions about eligibility or documentation?
I need a loan of 5 lakh rupees.
Thank you. Certainly, personal loans are possible for salaried individuals and self-employed professionals with a stable income. Eligibility typically includes a minimum age of 21, steady income, and good credit history. May I know your employment type and monthly income to provide more details?
Let's see how this works. So here I have written I need a loan of 14 lakh rupees. So the AI has responded to me that I have passed this credit score. My credit score is 780. It should be between 750 to 90. But it is asking me to upload my salary slip. So now we'll upload the salary slip. It's getting uploaded. So it has rejected my loan because the EMI which I have to pay is 30,790 and which is greater than my 50% of my EMI should be less than 50% of the salary. But my salary is 56,000 and the EMI is 30,790. So it has rejected my loan. Also, as you can see here, the credit score was passed but the loan got rejected. So now I have asked for the lower amount, which is 8 lakh. So let's see if it gets approved or not. So now it's again asking me to upload my salary slip. We'll do it. It should get approved now because the loan amount is lower, and also I think EMI should be payable. So now also my application got rejected because they have given me the reason here. Because once my loan got rejected and I have applied for the loan instantly, so due to which my loan got rejected again, as you can see the reason here. So I have to wait for a certain amount of time, and after that again I have to apply for the loan. Now we will start a fresh application for the loan. This time we'll ask for 6 lakh rupees. So it has given the tenure. So if I choose the plan of 36 months, I have to pay 19,786 rupees of EMI. So I should choose a plan according to me for which I am suitable. So I will choose 60 months, tenure of 60 months. So now it's asking me the purpose of this loan. So I have given the reason here. So my loan got approved. Here are all the sanction letter also got generated. We can download it from here, and it basically checks all the details: KYC verification, credit check, and the loan approval message. Along with that, the sanction letter also gets mailed to the user email ID, and from there also we can download the sanction letter. We'll show it to you. So this is the sanction letter email which we got. So here is the name Rajesh Kumar. The loan amount is 6 lakh, and the EMI and the tenure which we selected, which is 60 months. So this is the sanction letter. We can download it. So thank you all.
Business impact for customer is faster approvals, full transparency, super convenient, and for loan provider is 60 to 80% higher conversion, 80% less agent workload, and 3x faster processing. LoanAI, built for customers, designed for lenders.